Bapak. Watemi Jese Susan Carolina. You can call me Susan. 33 years old, divorced. I have one son. My experience in Arab Saudi 2 years. From 2023 until 2025. My job is do general housework, vacuum carpet, scrub toilet, wash by hand, assist man cook, and go to market. I can cook Arabia food, sambusa, biryani, salata, and pizza. I want to work in overseas because I need money for my family. I am in living room. This is table. Mineral water. Vase and flowers. Sofa. And this is wall. Finish. See you. Bye.